Hello everyone! Hi guys! Here's my part 2 in TBS. Hello guys! Hello! I'm here again. I'm eating my dinner here in TBS, not BTS. TBS bus terminal here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Ang laki guys, super laki. Ang daming pagkain, lalo na't ito ngayon nandito sa aking harapan. Ipakita ko sa inyo here our very own food. Our kabayan who's selling this one in front of our Philippine Embassy gate. They're selling their food. And here's our Filipino food, Pinoy food. Inubos ko na yung pansit nila. Hi! Ubos na yung pansit nyo. Ang sarap. Yan na. Ito na ang resulta. So yung puto, may puto dito. Puto at kutsinta. We call it koi in Malaysia. Rice cake. Diba? At yung maha blanca with cheese. Super sarap. My OB jam with cheese. Ito yung glutinous rice with coconut. Not desiccated coconut because it's a fresh grated one. Diba? At may masarap na palabok. Palabok daw, bihon at may mga itlog at saka yung sauce. Diba?
Basta palabok.
Bira. Bira.
Mukchi. Dari na.
Wow. It's palabok time. Huwag yung tingnan sa baba. Tikman natin ang palabok. Baka masira ito, diba? Masira na ito kasi mamaya pang gabi yung aking bus. Ito yung palabok. Steam lang nila yung ano. What's this? May ano siya guys, may parang itim. Natingnan nyo. Tigyawat. Tigyawat. Akong gipiso. So naingana na siya piso nagko para makuha tong hugaw, wala man nakuha. Saya na ta para madali, di ba? Saksak sinagol na ta karon. Tikman akong palabok na sa kaon. Na pabusog ta anig mag CR unya ta. Delicads. Mahadlok ko nga mapanuos na siya ba? Kung siya i-vlog. Hello, I'm here. TBS. Sa taas, level 1. Tikman natin ulit yung ubi. Sarap. Ubi jam. Sarap. Sabi ni Rowena, ang aga ko raw. Rowena, halika. Aga para sulit. Dami kayo siya ba? Dami kayong ubi, super. Daming ano. Dami siyang butter siguro. Sarap. Dami kayong ubi. Na tayo ka sa bakit. Ito be may ano pa, biko. cassava cake. Ooh. So yum. Busy na. I'm full now. It's time to keep our food. We have our pupu, cheese with kuchinta. Food hole. Anong tawag ito? Food hole. Full hole. Ito na sila. Uy, ang tiyan. Nako. Ang tiyan. Ano natin itong kanya na lang. And thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for our gapi. See you next time and enjoy eating our very own Filipino food. And I'm here in Kuala Lumpur, TBS. At hindi pa tapos, guys. Mayroon pang not yet finished. Still have more surprise. This one is a nice one. And here, guys, nandito ako nakaupo sa Dunkin' Donut. And I'm having a sip of these hot drinks. It's a soya milk drinks. And while I'm waiting my time to depart, my departure time was 8:30. So I was waiting for a while, and while I'm charging my phone. And here's some yummy different flavor of donuts. Dunkin' Donut. Is it your favorite? Mine? Yours? Tara na. Hindi na ako pupunta ng KFC. Huwag na. Rin kasi it's 8:30 pa naman, so I need to check in by 7 o'clock. Sabi nila punta tayo ng KFC. Here's the view during nighttime. It's nighttime and waiting for my departure to more Barrow Palace Bakery. Ayun na. Na yung mga pasalubong ng mga junakis. Dito ako may mag-check-in pababa. Pila na sila o parang airport ano. Pila o. Yun ang mga walang ticket. Yung bili ka sa online, madali lang. Hindi ka na mapipila doon. Bili ka doon sa bus terminal sa sa places niyo. Oh. Pag hindi ka pa nakabili, pwedeng bumili dito. At troublesome na, diba? So, it's uwian time. Para naman akong kalbo. Kunin ko yan. Si kalbo. It's here, guys. It's KLIA Transit. It's going to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. If you want to take a bus, just opposite here in TBS. Look at that. Separate KLIA Transit. TBS. Wherever waiting for us here for departure. Oh, this one, my bus, super nice. But it's 8:30. So I have to check the number first. We'll just reach here. This side is TBS, on the other side KLIA Transit. Dito pala tayo mag-check-in. Mayroon silang gate, pinto 12. Andito ako mag-check-in sa 11. Tignan nyo, guys. Parang airport. Ano? Ang lawak. Lawak. So, dito yung aking 11B. So, andyan yung aking pinto. Dito kami maghintay.
Dito na ako mag-check-in.
Magwi-waiting na. Malamig na. Kasi gabi na.
Here in the bus. And thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Ancient 34 Okapi. Have a nice day F1. And here's our very own Filipino foods. Yum, yum, yummy.
I bought there in Kuala Lumpur, outside, and the Philippines Embassy.